in search of a house. She scuttled through the wood and then stopped and stood. She looked all around with a twinkle in her eye. And what do you think her little eye did spy? In the middle of a field was a little wooden house, the best sort of home for a small grey mouse. She straightened her dress and knocked on the door. There came no reply, so she knocked once more. She called,
"Hello, who lives in this house?"
But no one answered the small grey mouse. So the mouse moved in and was all alone. But at last she had found her very own home. A goggle-eyed frog jumped by one day. She had nowhere to live and nowhere to stay. She looked all around with a twinkle in her eye, and what do you think her goggle eyes did spy? Yes, the little wooden house in the field by the wood. As a place to stay, it looked very good. So she called,
"Hello, who lives in this house?" "I do,"
came a voice.
"I'm a small grey mouse." "And who are you? Have you come a long way?" "Yes, I'm a goggle-eyed frog needing somewhere to stay." "Then come on inside and share this house with me. We can be friends. Please won't you have some tea?"
Along came a hurrying, a long-legged hare. He'd been looking all day for a house to share. He looked all around with a twinkle in his eye, reared up on his legs, and what did he spy? Yes, the little wooden house in the field by the wood. As a place to share, it looked very good. He called,
"Hello, who lives in this house?"
"I do,"
said the frog, and
"I do,"
said the mouse.
"And who are you?"
"I'm a long-legged hare, and I'm looking for a house. Are you willing to share?"
"Of course,"
said the frog.
"Of course,"
said the mouse.
"We're happy to share our little wooden house."
So the hare and the frog and the small grey mouse lived happily together in the little wooden house.
"Hello, who lives in this house? Knock on the window to see. Is anyone at home?" "The house is empty. I think I'll live here. This house needs a good clean. Are you going to help me? The curtains are crumpled. Can you straighten them out?" "That's better. Let's get cleaning." It's nice to live in a sparkling clean house. Wooden house, wooden house. Who lives in this wooden house? I am a small grey mouse. And who are you? I am a frog. Let's live together in this little wooden house. Thank you. How can I help you in return? Will you help me man the roof to stop it leaking? The house is nice and snug and dry now. Come in. The oven is on and we can all have some tea now.
Wooden house, wooden house. Who lives in the wooden house?
I am a small grey mouse. And who are you? I am a frog. And who are you?
I am a hare. Do you live in this house?
We can have lots of fun together.
Where's your door?
We need to hang the door. Please can you help me? It's very heavy and too difficult for us to lift.
I'll help to hang the door for you. At last, it looks like a real house.